So when I was a kid, I had these insecurities, basically saying I wanted to be popular. I wanted to be like the average person. I just wanted to kind of just fit in a way, okay? That was one of my insecurities. But then I realized that in reality, in the real world, average and popular tend to suck. You don't believe me? The most popular restaurant is McDonald's. Kind of sucks. The average person is broke. I don't want to be that. So once you realize that, you got to understand, if you don't want to be like the average person, like the most popular person, then what exactly do you need to do to be above average, to be different? The answer is, you got to figure out exactly what do those people do? And you got to ask yourself this very simple question. Are you willing to put in that type of work? For the past about 4 years, I was not willing to put in the work, for example, to try to be as good as Warren Buffett when it comes to investing. Now, I just finished reading this book. Well, not finished reading the book. I just finished reading the book for the day. And I spent around 4 to 4.5 hours reading this book today. Before, I wasn't willing to spend 20 minutes on reading the book. So I knew that I was going to get average results. So whatever it is you want to accomplish in life, you got to find out, what do the best people do in this? And ask yourself honestly, are you willing to do it or you're not? If you're not, don't fool yourself, move on to the next thing. But if you are, that's when everything changes, because in this world, you usually get what you deserve, not what you want. And if you basically deserve something by putting in, for example, 4 hours or 6 hours or 8 hours of focus work on it, eventually it'll pay off. Remember, average and popular, you just suck. So be careful what you wish for. That's that. Hope this helps.